Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Jingthoh Students Union Kmie kabadon ha Delhi na kabantaban ay kajingkasyan ni kajingeki ki Samla puli ha kabayday kajinglatu ki jingkli need medical entrance lingba u General Secretary Kmie u Samla nilki mukhim ulapha ka karwo shaka Sorkar NDA bakamday ban khinsting ya kabor jong ki Samla puli namarada ki Samla ki atli ki la ban panhap ya kabor jong ka Sorkar Shu lo ong ba ngiyo I baka Sorkar padeng kapenan kambakla ya kabor dak babom batti di ki Samla da ki lathi bat ki tendong le air pansat khmat ki Samla baro kawai kari India ki yang scam ha kanong rim ban pha hiar shuki ya umintri ka Sorkar padeng ubari pet ya katnat pule puthi ka GSU ka pha ya ka khubor sha ka Sorkar jilla baka de ban yat katkum ka an khnang baka jingsuk kanwan ha ka jilla jongi
Allah's power of the students prevail.
JSU guy? Kौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी है?
We are here to support the student cause.
JSU है कहाँ से?
Today from the Jingdawa Students Union, we congratulate all the students of India for prevailing over this biggest obstacle that the whole Union of India has faced. And this sends a clear message to the central government and especially to the other state governments that they should not mess with the power of the youth, because the truth and the power of the youth will always prevail over them. As being members of the Jingdawa Students Union, we are happy to be a part of this history, in creating history on the successful resignation of the Education Minister.
One more thing, we are so glad to be here. Victory at last prevailed. The minister himself has to resign. This shows that when the youth or the student of the nations, when we are the one who elected them into power, sometimes they oppress us. This shows that they cannot oppress us. Always democracy win at last. This is the clear message to the government of India and the government of Khia as well, that don't mess with the power of students. This is a clear message to the government of India and a clear message to the government of Khia as well. Don't pressurize the youth. Don't use us as a puppet. Remember, we have our own brothers and sisters. We have a family. You also have your family. You also have your sons and daughters who are going to appear for this exam. This is the victory of the people. This is the victory of the people of India as well. Thank you.